Let me tell you a painful truth no one warned you about. Sex might get her attention, but it will never keep her heart. You felt it, haven't you? You gave your body, you gave your time, you gave your energy, and still, she pulled away. Still, she changed. Still, you were left wondering, why wasn't I enough? Because the deepest obsession is never created in the body. It's created in the mind and sealed in the heart. And if you've ever felt ignored, replaceable, or forgotten right after you gave everything, this message is for you. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share doesn't just change how she sees you. It changes how you see yourself. Picture this. You're staring at your phone at night. Last seen hours ago. Your message left unanswered. Your chest tightens. Your mind races. You start replaying everything you said, everything you did. Did I say something wrong? Did I give too much? Why was she so warm yesterday and so cold today? You remember how close you felt to her. The laughs, the intimacy, the moment you thought, this is real. But now, silence. And the silence hurts more than rejection, because silence makes you doubt your worth. Here's the painful part no one talks about. When you chase her body but neglect her emotions, you become temporary. Not because you aren't valuable, but because you played a game that never creates attachment. And that's where everything breaks. That's why today, I'm not going to talk about attraction tricks or manipulation or shallow advice. Today, I'm going to reveal what truly makes a woman obsessed. Not addicted, not dependent, but emotionally connected in a way that lingers. I'll break it down into 5 powerful truths, each one rooted in psychology, emotional intelligence, and self-respect. Listen carefully, because missing even one of these could keep you stuck in the same painful cycle. Let me tell you a story. She had options. Men who looked better, men who had more money, men who were louder, flashier, more aggressive, but she kept thinking about him. Why? Because when she was with him, she could breathe. She didn't feel judged. She didn't feel rushed. She didn't feel like she had to perform. Psychology tells us this. The human brain becomes attached to emotional safety before physical pleasure. When a woman feels emotionally safe, her nervous system relaxes, and whatever relaxes the nervous system becomes addictive. Listening without fixing, staying calm when she's emotional, holding space instead of control. This is what creates obsession, not pressure. Here's where most men fail. They overshare. They explain everything. They give access to every thought, every feeling, every insecurity. And slowly, attraction fades. Not because honesty is bad, but because mystery fuels imagination. The brain obsesses over what it cannot fully predict. When she doesn't fully understand you, she thinks about you, living a full life, having passions that don't revolve around her, speaking with intention instead of desperation. This is the power. Mystery isn't hiding, it's depth revealed over time. There's a difference between availability and desperation. Desperation says, please choose me. Presence says, I'm here, but I don't beg. Women don't obsess over men who chase. They obsess over men who ground them. Psychologically, presence creates trust. Trust creates attachment. Attachment creates obsession. Being consistent instead of clingy, warm instead of needy, calm instead of reactive. This is how your stillness becomes her anchor. This one is uncomfortable, but powerful. When you tolerate disrespect, you teach her how to treat you. And no one obsesses over someone they don't respect. Boundaries activate something deep in human psychology. Value. When you can walk away calmly, when you don't argue for attention, when you don't accept crumbs, you become unforgettable. Saying no without guilt, leaving without drama, choosing dignity over attachment. This is how respect creates desire every time. Here's the final truth. A man without purpose seeks validation. A man with purpose radiates direction. And direction is magnetic. When your life has meaning beyond her, she feels like she's joining your journey, not becoming your world. Psychology calls this self-determined identity, and it creates long-term attraction. Building something, committing to growth, chasing purpose instead of people. This is what turns interest into obsession. Now listen to me carefully. You were never meant to beg for love. You were never meant to chase affection. You were never meant to lose yourself to keep someone. Your value was never in your body. It was always in your presence. When you stop trying to be chosen and start choosing yourself, everything changes. Her attention shifts, her curiosity grows, her respect deepens, and even if she never comes back, you walk away stronger, because the goal was never obsession. The goal was self-worth. Let's bring it home. What makes her obsessed isn't sex. It's emotional safety, mystery, presence, boundaries, and purpose. Master these, and you master connection. Forget them, and you repeat the same heartbreak. Remember this. The moment you stop trying to impress her is the moment you become unforgettable. If someone cannot see your worth, don't lower yourself to prove it. The right woman will never need convincing. She will feel it. If this message spoke to your heart, if it gave you clarity, if it helped you see yourself differently, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this message reach those who need it most. Stay strong, stay grounded, and never forget your worth. Let me say something most people are afraid to admit. Obsession is not created when you give more. It is created when you become more. When you stop trying to fill the emptiness inside someone else and start standing full within yourself, something shifts. People feel it. They may not understand it, but they feel it. And that feeling stays with them long after you leave the room. You see, when you were trying too hard, replying too fast, explaining too much, hoping she would finally choose you, your energy was loud, not confident loud, needy loud. And neediness pushes people away because it silently says, I am incomplete without you. No one feels obsessed with someone who hands over their power like that. They feel comfortable, they feel in control, and eventually they feel bored. But the moment you pull your energy back, not as punishment, not as manipulation, but as self-respect, something changes. She starts wondering. She starts noticing the silence you once filled with effort. She starts replaying conversations, moments, the calm way you carried yourself. Absence doesn't hurt when someone doesn't care, but absence awakens emotion when they do. Psychology teaches us that humans value what feels earned, not what feels handed over. When access to you is easy, unlimited, unconditional, it loses its emotional weight. But when your time feels intentional, your attention feels selective, and your presence feels grounded, it creates contrast, and contrast creates desire. This is where obsession is born, not from chasing, but from resonance, from the way you make her feel when she's with you, and the way she feels your absence when you're not. Not anxiety, not fear, but awareness, awareness of your value. And here's the most important part. This is not about her anymore. This is about you reclaiming your center. When you build a life that excites you, when you stop waiting for validation, when you stop shrinking to be chosen, you become dangerous in the best way. Not because you control others, but because you control yourself. Whether she comes closer or drifts away after that no longer defines you. And ironically, that's when people start gravitating towards you the most. Because confidence that doesn't beg, presence that doesn't chase, and self-worth that doesn't negotiate is rare. And rare things are remembered. If this message spoke to your heart, if it gave you clarity, if it helped you see yourself differently, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this message reach those who need it most. Stay strong, stay grounded, and never forget your worth.